In front of me is UMIDIGI A3, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you need to open your contact list, then let's tap on More icon and select Settings, and here click on Block Numbers. And as you can see here, by tapping on Add a Number, you can smoothly add some number that you want to block, smoothly enter it, click on Block then, and that's it. From now on, this number will not be able to reach you, so you will not receive calls or messages from this phone number. And whenever you would like to remove it from your blacklist, just click on cross icon and select Unblock. And it has been released from this block. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.